Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging for you. Before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and please do all the YouTubey things, like, share, comment. Please comment. I enjoy reading all of your comments, and I always comment back. So, alright, so what did I get in the Amazon package today? Well, as you know, or as some of you know, I have started coloring. So, I seen these on Amazon, and they were not very expensive, and so I got them. So this one is a coloring log, and this one is called the Colorist Companion. So we're going to look at this one first. Now I don't know a whole lot about any of this, but I do know that this is a log book, and you can put all of your coloring book names, the author of your the coloring book, the date that you purchased it, and you can rate the coloring book. And I hope y'all can see that. I know my lighting is pretty bad. It's late afternoon. So there are a few pages, and then we have swatches. So you can put the brand of your, I guess, the brand and then the product name. So if you have like colored pencils, if they're prisms, you can put that down, or if they're gel pens or whatever. And then it's got the swatch. You've got your name or number or both of your pencil, pen, marker, whatever. So there's a few of them pages in here. Looks like quite a bit. Well, there's quite a few. Alright, so here's something else. Alright, so they've also got a blending chart to where it says mix two colors together to create your own unique color and your mediums used. And then you've got your mixing color over here and your main color there. And then you just make your own color. So if you had, you know, red, blue, you would make purple, you know, whatever. So that's how that would go. Here's something else. Let's see. Alright. Here's some more blending swatches and the colors you use. There's a couple of these pages. This is actually pretty neat. Okay, what is this? Alright, so we have blending and shading practice, which I need because I am new to all of this. But it has colors used, and it has two blanks to where, you know, if you use two different colors, or however many. So there's those flowers, and then we have these flowers. And then we have coloring page notes. So it's got the book name, the artist, date started, date completed, your page number, page title, any of your notes. You can make a swatch. You can use, put the color name or number, both. And then any notes. So that's, well, kind of like, well, that's like the log book. Oh well, I'll use them both, but I didn't realize that was in this. I thought this was just a swatch book, but that's fine. So there's quite a few of those. So that's all that is in this. So that's pretty neat. And that just shows, you know, what the pages are in there. So that's pretty neat. And that's a pretty thick book too. Did it tell how many pages? I don't think so. No. But that's a lot of pages. So I only gave, let me see. I gave $6.99 for this. So that's not bad. Okay, so let's look at the coloring log. So there is the log belongs to, and you put your name. So it has a coloring page log, which has the start date, the end date, which is when you complete it, your book title, your artist, the page name and number, what you used for materials, and then there's a circle that you can use for swatching, and you can put down, like, you can put red, swatch red in there and write red, and you know, if it's a gel pen or a marker, whatever, and you can put used for a rose or lips, or you know, whatever you use that color for. So I think that's pretty much what this whole book is. That's why I got it. It was a coloring, I mean, it's like a coloring logbook. Yeah, that's what this whole book is. And I thought it was pretty neat, so that you can keep track of, you know, what you do. So for this, y'all, I only gave $3.58 for this book. So I didn't think that was bad at all. And then these two books, I can keep all my info. Because if y'all are following me, you know I'm a diamond painter. And I have got 3 log books full. I'm almost full. My third one is almost full, is what I'm trying to say. And I just used a regular notebook and just did everything. But I thought this was neat, and it was very cheap, I thought. And you put all your info right here. So, alright, I will put a link in my description box for these 2 items. And please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Have you used these? Have you seen these? What do y'all think about them? I like keeping everything written down. Which is funny, because I've never been one for paperwork. I hated paperwork when I worked as a manager. I hated having to do the office paperwork. But I have found that since I have been diamond painting, I like to keep up with what I've done. And I mean, right down to the details. I keep it all written down. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to do the same thing with coloring. So, alright, anyway, I'm just babbling. But yeah, I'll leave a description of these, or a link to these in my description box. Please check it out and do all the YouTube-y things. Like I said, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment. I enjoy reading them, and it makes me feel like that we're all friends and we're all having a conversation. So anyway, y'all, alright, until my next video, y'all, I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.